Hi, we are the team from Signa High Secondary School. Myself, Tariani of Standard 6.
Myself, I, Jarshwati Pauline of Standard 7.
Myself, Agnes Street of Standard 8. Myself, Rashmi of Standard 8.
Our project is outdoor humidifier which helps to reduce the temperature in the atmosphere.
In recent years, the temperature in many outdoors are increasing drastically by up to 40 to 42 degrees Celsius during summers. The extreme heat leads to dehydration and it will reduce the moisture in the air.
There is a need for a simple and low-cost portable solution that can reduce the heat in the open spaces. So we can design an ideal outdoor humidifier which cools the air naturally.
The rising of the global temperature can lead to this outdoor heat. Many of them designed indoor humidifier, but it's very consume high power and is not suitable for indoor purpose. Many innovators and researchers found outdoor humidifier, but it is less portable and large. It is not suitable for small scale and large scale industries.
The outdoor humidifier project addresses these limitations by using simple electronic components such as motor driver L298, mist makers and a PC fan. And allows the water naturally by capillary action to lift up.
The advantages of our outdoor humidifiers are reduces the heat by up to 3 to 5 degrees Celsius of heat. It reduces the wastage of water because of usage of wastewater.
Save electricity than ACs or coolers. It is portable and low-cost, so we can use it everywhere.
The applications of our project are zoos and amusement park, schoolyards and public spaces, outdoor event venues. The components used in our project are mist makers, PC fan. For regulating the water up, we used capillary action. For giving power supply, we used 12-volt rechargeable battery. Let's see the demonstration. The components used in the project outdoor humidifier are 3 mist makers, PC fan, L298 motor driver. To push out the water up, we used capillary action, and for giving power supply, we used 12-volt battery, rechargeable battery. Let's see the demonstration. If any high temperature in the atmosphere, we want to click on the outdoor humidifier, the mist maker will on and the water will convert into mist. The mist will not cause any problems. The PC fan will push out the air fastly.